Hello everyone, I am Pukhraj and welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. As we all know, it is a tradition at the end of Navratras to make puri, chane and halwa. So today I'll be sharing an amazing recipe of Suji Ka Halwa and superbly delicious and tasty recipe of Kaale Chane that can be cooked up in just 5 minutes and they taste super amazing. But before moving on to these amazing recipes, make sure you've subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. So let's get started with these recipes. First of all, we'll be making Suji or Semolina Halwa, and for that I've taken a karahi and into it I'll be adding 1 cup of Desi ghee to it. Into this Desi ghee, we'll add 1 cup of Suji or Semolina and we'll let it cook till the Suji turns brown in color and is fragrant. Make sure you cook it on low to medium heat, otherwise this will burn. So while Suji is being cooked, simultaneously we'll prepare a sugar syrup for this halwa. For making the sugar syrup, I've taken 3 cups of water in a saucepan and into it I'll be adding 1 cup of sugar to it. And if you want to add less amount of sugar, you can reduce its quantity. And we'll let it boil till the sugar is mixed. So now you can see that sugar has mixed properly and the water has come to a boil. At this stage, we'll just put off the gas and keep it for later use. Make sure you stir the suji at regular intervals so that it does not burn. So now you can see that the suji has browned properly. It is very important to roast suji properly. And at this stage, we're gonna add dry fruits to it. I've taken almonds, raisins and cashews. It's your choice that you want to put dry fruits or not. We'll just give it a quick mix. And after this, we'll be adding the already prepared sugar syrup to it. But I want to say that while adding sugar syrup, be very careful as this is gonna bubble up. Just mix it continuously on very low heat. The suji is going to absorb all the sugar syrup. Now you can see that the sugar syrup is being absorbed in the halwa. It will just take few more minutes before it is done and ready. So as the halwa is about to cook, at the end I would like to add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder as the halwa becomes very fragrant with it. If you want to omit this, you can do so. So our suji halwa has been roasting for a while and you can see that the desi ghee has started to ooze out at the sides. So this is an indication that our halwa is ready. So we'll just put off the gas and it's ready to be plated. But before plating it, we'll move on to the recipe of making Kaale Chane. For making Kaale Chane or black chickpeas, I've taken a karahi and into it I'll be adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. You can also use mustard oil or sarson ka tel for this. And into the ghee, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. We'll just let it splutter. So now you can see that the jeera has turned brown and spluttered, and into this we'll be adding salt according to taste, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. You can increase or decrease the quantity of the red chili powder as per your taste. And we'll just give it a good mix. After the spices have mixed properly, the final ingredient to be added is black chickpeas or Kaale Chane. I've taken 1 cup of the chickpeas and I soaked it overnight in water and then boiled them. So we'll be adding this. And just give it a quick mix. So now you can see that our chickpeas have been coated very nicely with cumin and the spices, and they are ready to be plated. So our special Suji Ka Halwa and black chane are ready to eat. Please enjoy them with your family and may God bless you with all the health and happiness. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.